To the best of my knowledge, wala namang dun sa aming kamusta, check, usap tayo mamaya, punta dito, 'di ba? So now, if pag-usap namin biglang may kakausap sa amin, that's beyond my control, no? So meaning as of Saturday and Sunday, so nag-meet pa kami Saturday, usap, made calls, hindi ko naman nakausap lahat yesterday, talk to some. Okay pa lahat, sabi yung walang bibigay pero grabe ang pressure. At saka talagang pinag-aaway, sinasabi daw may 13 na, may 14. So as of this morning, 7 o'clock, 7:35, sa 8 o'clock may tumatawag na. So okay na, wala namang hindi sumasagot sa chat groups at sa communication namin, 'di ba? Having said that, if may palitan naman, it would be smart naman to tell us in the last minute. And so it would be smart to tell in the last minute, and I won't take it against them, 'di ba? So simple lang 'yan. Kung nilagay ako dito ng Panginoon for an 8-day mission, tatanggapin ko 'yon. Pero kung ang mission ko is simulan yung impeachment, tatanggapin ko rin 'yon.